What's Amazon.com all about? Let's get started by saying that we are pretty sure that each one of you watching knows what Amazon.com is. But in the unlikely event that we have someone among you who doesn't, we can easily tell what it is in a few words. Amazon.com is the single largest e-commerce retailer in the world. That's right. Amazon.com is the leading platform in the electronic retailer industry, and millions of people around the globe enjoy its unparalleled quality of service and reach on a daily basis. But is that all there is to know about Amazon.com? Well, while the truth is that Amazon.com has built its reputation around being the most popular superstore that you can find on the internet, it is also true that it is much, much more. And you might find yourself surprised about the things that it has achieved. So let's find out. Transformations. Amazon.com is all about providing the best that it can, be it delivering great service or products, but it is also about empowering people from all walks of life by allowing them to use its unique platform in order to fuel their passion, earn a well-deserved living, and transform their lives. Opportunities. Transforming people's lives is not possible if they are not given opportunities to do so. And that is why Amazon has made its platform available for people that want to unleash their ideas and create something that others can find in the Amazon marketplace. Here, your imagination is the limit. Economic impact. People all around the world are using Amazon to grow their businesses, which has had a positive economic impact not only for the people using the platform to fulfill their dreams, but also on their communities and on the people that they reach through their enterprising efforts. In the community, Amazon wouldn't be as big as it is now if it weren't because of its people, and so the company is putting an enormous effort into giving back to the communities that have helped it thrive, with special consideration to those communities where its employees and customers live. Innovation. Amazon doesn't only want to be the best online store there is, it also wants to make e-commerce and technology better overall, for everyone, including its competition. That is why it has introduced innovations such as drone delivery, one-click ordering, and Amazon Fresh. Working at Amazon. Amazon is a workplace that is geared towards pushing for excellence and focused execution. Everyone from builders, inventors, and innovators are invited to experiment and to perform at their best in order to delight customers and to deliver the kinds of services that Amazon is known for. Sustainability. Amazon is on one hand all about making a good profit, but using a good sum of those profits on making this a better world is its real return on investment. That said, Amazon is putting forth great efforts to achieve 100% renewable energy usage for its business.